Republican lawmakers are trying to steal from the poor again to pay for tax cuts for the wealthy. They are trying to make health insurance coverage through the Affordable Care Act so unaffordable that the Congressional Budget Office says it would result in approximately 4.2 million Americans losing health care coverage. Market Watch reported the Republican majority in the House Energy and Commerce Committee drafted legislation included in this budget bill that they're trying to pass that would reduce eligibility for the financial assistance that's currently offered to people who have insurance through the Affordable Care Act, which is otherwise known as Obamacare. Many people who can't afford health insurance without these government subsidies would have no choice. They're going to have to cancel their health insurance policy. The Republicans also want to allow the enhanced subsidies to expire next year. During the Biden administration, they increased the health insurance subsidies for insurance purchased through the Affordable Care Act. That was part of the Inflation Reduction Act that Congress had passed while Biden was president. What they were trying to do is ease the burden of COVID and greed-related inflation by offering these increased subsidies. They were trying to help people out while they were dealing with other financial issues. Well, Republicans want to not only make it more difficult for you to qualify for those subsidies, they also want to reduce the subsidies if you happen to still qualify for them. According to the Kaiser Family Foundation, if they allow these enhanced subsidies to expire, we're going to see yearly increases of health insurance premiums of 93% on average. The prices, though, would increase even more in the states where Trump won. Because Republican-led states refuse to expand Medicaid coverage, their residents rely on health insurance through the ACA. The Kaiser Foundation said, for example, Wyoming, health insurance premiums would increase by 195%. In West Virginia will be 133% more. And Texas insurance premiums would increase 115%. They also said, based on 2025 figures, any person making $60,240 a year or more would no longer qualify for any premium subsidies. A family of four making $128,600 or more would also no longer qualify.